I commend Dr. Odili. Why? Who initiated the Transcribery Road? Dr. Odili initiated and awarded this Transcribery Road. Contract was given to the Calabari sons. It was not done. Let us tell ourselves the simple truth. Dr. Peter Odili awarded the this Amana Ring Road. It was Dr. Peter Odili. The initiator. Government is a continuum. But the idea to conceive, to think about that, this is what is going to help our people. He may not have finished it, but he conceived the idea. If the former administration has followed, today, we would have been talking about that ring road. I came and I said, yes, it is a road that will help us, and we have done it. But first of all, you must give commendation to the initiator, to the man who thought about it, to say, if we want this place to move on, there must be this ring road, even though he may not have finished it at his own time. He conceived Transcribery Road. He may not have finished it. Government is a continuum. And that's why I'm here. To finish those things he may have started, and some other people may have abandoned for the interest of our people.
Anybody when know the river state, you make it go see you. Yes, we get the walk.
So for me, it is not me. It is the man who conceived that idea. It is the man who thought about it. But this period could not allow him to finish it. And now we have the opportunity. We must give him that. God will thank you for giving us a man who conceived the idea. For giving us a man who thought about this. And again, for giving us a man who has come to complete it. That is what governance is all about. And that's the way I think government should be. All of you here, you sat here. People came, promise you this, promise you that. They will do this, they will do that. I told you, and I told the Amana and all the other Amana boss, and I said, anything I said to you, I'm not going to run as governor of Rivers State again. But I will be happy to say, I made a promise to my people. Have I kept to that promise? And that is what's important in life.
Yes, on weekend, Amano.
When I came, the Amana Bridge was awarded by Amaechi, my predecessor, but for the 8 years was not completed. When the Secretary of Government came to me, he was not Secretary of Government then. My friend, Dr. Tamidana, he came to me. I said, look, in 100 days in office, we must complete it. And we did it. The ring road, David Brick came. Tarango came. Is there any way we can do this? I said, go home and sleep. I will do it. By the grace of God, today, I have done it. People talk about, you see, all of you here, you will change tomorrow. Anybody who is in any government, and you cannot come home and tell your people, I'm a member of this government. I belong to Buhari's administration. There's nothing wrong in you belonging to Buhari's administration. What is wrong is you not bringing dividend of democracy from Buhari's administration to your people. I cannot serve a government that will not remember my people. Shame to any politician, anybody who has contact to anybody in government, and you cannot bring anything to your people. Shame. What did I say? Say it again. Say it again.
Yes,
Again.
again.
I feel happy. I'm living as a governor of the state. I tell my wife, I feel honored. I did not embarrass you and my children. I told you I will do this. And let the people of Calabar ask me, have you done it? I will not come here to campaign for PDP for 2023 election. If everything I have promised to the people of Calabar and I did not do it, I will not be here. I won't come. I want to tell you today, as politicians, you told us this. Have you done it? My deputy governor was showing me Obama School, Harrison. She showed me the Bacana School, Tombia. I said, how do you see it? It's beautiful. I have done it. Let me tell you. Listen to me. Let me tell all of you. I'm not here to curry favor. Whatever God said anybody will be. Do you understand me? I said, what is Transcalabari? What is it? As at the time the third awarded Transcalabari and gave some money, the last administration has so much money, so much money. I came and said, look, first of all, I will do the first phase. And in doing the first phase, this is the time it will take. I was paying to the contractor 1 billion naira every month. Every month. Now, and it's supposed to end in May. The first phase. I will show them more. Now, it's supposed the 14 billion naira will end by May. You people went and plotted to kidnap the contractors. What a shame. What a shame. This is our problem. We want this. We want that. And you allowed your criminals to go and abduct the contractors. Because we have come out to say we will do it. They want to think that we made a promise and we did not fulfill it. They're angry that Wike made a promise and Wike fulfilling the promise. And they are going to kidnap. I told them, kidnap as much as you want, I will do it.
Yes, so we can Amana.
The contractor came to me the other day and told me, the contractor came to me the other day and told me, look, I need more time. I said, which time is that? Why are you collecting my money every month? He said, no, Your Excellency, your people kidnap our workers. And for 1-2 months, we didn't work. I was okay. How many months? He said, 6 months. I said, thunder fire you. What do you mean by that? You think I came to joke? My brother, the time we gave you was May. Not so. Not so. Now, if you didn't work in May, you didn't work for 2 months, why do you seek for 6 months? Yeah, even at the time we were not working, we were not collecting the money. I hereby give you extra 2 months. I will not give you that 6 months. Look, let me tell you, I'm not that governor. So let me tell you, I'm not that governor. Don't worry. I know what you want to hear from me today. I know all of you, so don't worry.
Anybody when not the river state you, make it come see you. Yes, how we get the walk.
So all this we get fire, we get boo boo boo. I know where you are going to. Melembe. Don't worry, we will come to that. Don't worry yourself. So, I told the contractor, I will give you additional 2 months. Therefore, we are not expecting the job to be completed by May. We are expecting the job to be completed by July, August. Because of the kidnap, all of you, you know them. You know them. I don't understand. You say this is a problem to Calabari people, and somebody are going to solve problem, and you are sabotaging it. Is that life? That's not fair. That's not fair. For me, any promise, the thing I want to tell you, there are 2 jobs remaining about KNC, right? I hereby cancel the contract now. I've cancelled it because I see politics, the man does not want to come. That one of Marywood, let me tell you, the contractor by next week will be given additional fund to make sure that it finishes Marywood Secondary School. Every other, the only thing I'm calling you people here, the only thing that is in my blood here now is transcriber. Let me also tell you what I want to do. I'm waiting for something. Now, hold on. You don't worry. You will sing that song when I speak, whether what you want to hear or not. Don't worry. Now, there's one money I'm looking for. If that money comes, I've told the Ministry of Works to speak with the contractor and look at the cost for the second phase. No, listen. You know, before you carry story, you say, I promise you I will do the second phase. I said, look at the cost. If the cost is what I can carry, let me tell you, my brothers, I will pay it 100%.
Yes, on weekend, Amano. What did you go?
Any contractor coming has no problem. Let him go and finish it. Do you understand what I'm saying? Because God gives you opportunity. God gives you opportunity to say, look, the only thing we have is to thank God Almighty for what He has done in our lives. My brothers and sisters, you may not understand. Anybody telling you any other story, take me as one example that anybody here can be anything. Don't say you cannot be. You can. I've suffered. The system has suffered me. They have charged. I've faced murder cases. I've faced armed robbery cases. Everything in life. But God has brought me to this way. So you don't have problem. Because I know whatever God wants you to be, you will. So don't worry yourself. They fought me. The system fought me. There's nothing they did not do against me. They arraigned me in all kinds of things. But I survived it. And this is me today talking. So let nobody bother himself. Now, my brother, our leader, Chief Federal said they are not going to ask me anything today. Indirectly, they have asked me something. My brother, whom I respect, my father, one of the elders said, Professor D.B. Briggs, he said, Calabari people have paid their dues. Of course you have paid their dues. My brother, Dumodulu Briggs, who is not a traditional ruler, no longer a politician, and also told me, as a brother and friend of the Kalabala people, I know what to do. Unfortunately, he's no longer a politician, he's a traditional ruler. My sister, the environmentalist, a woman who stood by me when things were hot. And you. Somebody who knows, I discussed about the Niger Delta. She spoke here, and I want to tell her, if I was a tribalist, if I was an ethnic jingoist, I wouldn't be where I am. Do you understand? I will not be. I stand for the truth and nothing but the truth. It doesn't matter the way you look at it. Today I will speak to you. It may be bad. I told the Amana and I told the federal Abraba, I want to speak first before you confirm anything on me. He said no. I said, look, if they confirm me that they finish, I will talk my mind. If anybody tells you, as far as I is concerned, that the Calabari people who have not contributed, the person is a joker. If you want to take it back by the order of the governor, you cannot.
Yes, I'm wicked, Amana. Yes.
So, some people are taking chieftaincy somewhere and taking from home here. Not so. This is original chieftaincy. And from an area, they don't just give chieftaincy like that. Not so. So, Amanabo, you representing the elder Amanabos and the Calabari Chancellor Chiefs, I thank you immensely. All of you who are singing for recognition, look, solve your problems. You will be recognized. You are fighting too much. When you are in court, can I do anything? You go to court against each other. Will I recognize the right person and leave the right person? So just recognize, and I will do it for you. I will. I will do it for you. I have no problem for anybody. I don't. So, Amanabo, thank you. Chief Federal Brother, thank you. You've tried. All of you, do more. I will recognize you so I won't play politics again. You know, if I recognize Dumo now, you cannot run for governorship election again. So I told him that Dumo, choose one. He's a very good friend. His father, while he was alive, supported me very well when I wanted to be governor in 2015. And for me, the father has contributed to this state. He's not alive today, but these are people who must honor and to encourage other people. Just like the Mibricks, we will honor you because you've done well. You've presented River State in all ramifications. You have. Yes, you are part of the Ikwere Isobodimba. But you've done well. Even though the government you belong to do not recognize you, we will recognize you because you have done well. You have done well. Gentlemen, thank you and God bless you.
Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, may we thank the national and
Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.